Your Manila tour guide Remus Mark is still here in Pagudpud, and I am looking for some souvenir shirts that I can buy for myself and my family. Good thing this guy passed by. Hello, bro.
Hello,
What's your name?
I'm Charvin. What's up with you?
I'm good. Calvin?
Charvin.
Charvin. Yeah.
C-H-A-R-V-Y-N.
Oh, C-H?
A-R-V-Y-N.
V-Y-N. Charvin. Yan. Charvin is selling these shirts, Pagudpud shirts. Where did you have this printed? Is
I
it
got it from Manila.
from Manila? Wow. Can you please open? Can I see the design?
Of course.
So how? Oh, there you go. Pa! Good. Good. Ilocos Norte. The design is very simple but really, really
It's a
nice.
trendy.
It's trendy, yes. So how much is a piece of that shirt?
Actually, it's 220, but we can make it on top if you buy more than one.
You'll give me more discount.
Of course.
Okay, so there's someone trying on the shirt. Let's see how it's gonna look like. Patingin nga, bossing. Anong size yan?
Small.
Small. So this one is small. It looks good on you. You should buy that. Buy 20 pieces. I'm helping Charvin sell his merchandise. So if you buy 20 pieces, I think he's gonna give you only 150 per piece. Do you have any other designs, Charvin? I saw another one earlier with the print. It's more fun. Do you have that?
Yeah, it's more fun in Pagudpud.
Can I see that? It's more fun in Pagudpud. There you go. Charvin, who designed these shirts?
It's my own design, sir.
It's your own design. Wow. Can you imagine that? So this guy made some designs and then he had them printed out and now he's selling it in Pagudpud. Yeah, very, very nice.
Which network are you, sir?
Oh, no. I'm with I post my travel videos on YouTube.
Yes, sir.
You can search Your Manila Tour Guide.
That's your website?
Yes, Your Manila Tour Guide, my channel on YouTube.
Manila Tour Guide.
Your Manila Tour Guide. Yes. Hanging out with new friends here in Pagudpud, trying on shirts. So there you have it. Shopping in Pagudpud is indeed more fun, especially when there are friends like Charvin and the gang. So more videos from Pagudpud coming your way. In the meantime, see ya.